Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm the inventor of advanced soft tissue release ASTR specialty. I'm also a cancer survivor and I used to suffer from chronic migraines, headaches, pain and fatigue before I invented ASTR specialty. All right, Dalia, tell me what's going on with your shoulder. What happened?
I've been having some pain right in this area here. And this is really where it first started. It's right there.
Okay.
And then it started to limit my range of motion where I couldn't lift up my arm any higher.
How much pain from 0 to 10 when you do this?
Well, right now it's like there's certain areas that I feel limitation at this moment.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel it over here. I would say like a 4 or 5. Right
When you
here.
do this, it's 4 and 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So can you give me a little history? How did you injure your shoulder?
I injured it by doing a particular massage therapy stroke.
So you're a massage therapist?
Yes.
Okay. So you were working backwards.
Yes.
Show me how.
I was doing a stroke like this.
Well, the good news, you will have tools now. You don't have to do that again. All right. So what happened when that happened?
Well, what happens is that because it's a repetitive movement that I do, that's what's caused the injury.
Okay.
So
How long has been going on?
about 3.5 months.
3.5 months. So what did you do to help this area?
Massage myself.
By yourself?
Yeah,
Oh,
I try to
that's
like
not easy.
just work it myself, but I haven't. And I went to a massage therapist also.
Okay. That's the only thing you
Yeah,
had.
that's the only thing I did.
So I want to aggravate your symptoms, just to test it for now to see how is your pain level.
Okay.
Then we're gonna do the treatment, and then we'll try to aggravate it again to see if you respond to the treatment, or we need to do more work. Okay? All right. So do the motion that aggravates, and give me pain level.
It's usually when I lift up my arm laterally.
Is it more with weight or
And when I
lift
go
with?
back like this.
How much from 0 to 10?
When I go back like this, I feel it. I would say maybe like a 5.
5.
Yeah.
In that spot.
Mhm.
Okay, can you do this for me and stop when you feel pain?
Right there.
Okay, it's just
I
a
feel
little bit
limited
limited.
right there.
You see, yeah,
I
okay.
feel limited there.
So this come up this way.
And yeah, I
bring
feel
it up.
limited right there.
So you're limited right here.
This is
Great.
my most painful area.
How much from 0 to 10?
Probably like an 8. I don't know. It feels
So
like
this
an
is
8.
like 90 degrees here.
Yeah.
Okay.
It feels heavy.
Feels
Like I
heavy,
can't-
and in that area.
Yeah, and painful.
9 out of 10. Is it the number?
I would say an 8.
An 8. And is it sharp, dull, aching?
I think it's achy.
Okay. And okay, so I will have you actually sit here facing this way. Okay, so we're gonna work with the skin. And you said you feel it right here.
Right there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right in here.
Right in there.
Right in here. You feel this knot.
And also like right below here, underneath.
Did you have any other trauma or accident or anything? It was just
No.
this repetitive motion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How many years you been practicing massage?
About maybe 17, 18 years.
Oh my God, that's well, it's good. Good longevity.
Yeah.
I don't see a lot of massage therapists last that long. Yeah, you probably work smart.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, make sure it's not painful. Okay.
Mm-hmm. That's painful.
Sorry. Look straight. Is that painful now?
It's a little
Sure.
tender.
What about
Yeah, right
now?
there. That's good.
That's good.
Yep.
Okay.
And I feel like you're right on it.
Okay. So make sure it's not painful. Have you had any injury in the head or the shoulder or anything before?
No.
Okay.
I
So
feel
it's,
like it's tender and it's radiating.
What about now?
It's less pain.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
I think I had a head injury. I remember when I was a very young child.
How did you do that?
I was sitting on my bed
Mm-hmm.
and there was a heavy gate
Mm-hmm.
that my mom used to close and protect her windows so nobody gets in. And it was loose, and that heavy metal fell on my head.
Oh my god, did you have sutures or anything?
No sutures, but I remember bleeding a lot.
Oh, okay. What else?
That's the only head injury I remember getting.
Okay, anything else?
No.
Okay. Is that too much?
No.
So I go actually to spots like that I know it's usually tight. So, but you probably want to assess the whole thing. Where is it here?
I don't remember because it was so long ago, but I kind of remember it was somewhere in the center of my head, somewhere. I don't remember. I remember bleeding.
I'm trying to feel it. I'm not trying to mess up your hair, okay?
Yeah, that's
I'm
okay.
not hairstylist. But it looked like a hairstylist that's immature. Okay. Except it make a mess at the end. Oh man. You're really tight here.
Yeah.
Very tight. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, let's do your range of motion. Just working in here for now. Thumb up and bring it. This is and up.
A little
Is
bit.
it a square here?
I feel it like a little bit right over here underneath. So.
Let's do the front.
But it feels better. And when I brought it down, I felt it here.
You feel it here? Let's do the front.
Yes, here.
Okay. Nice. You feel all the scar tissue?
Yeah.
Did anyone work on you in those areas
No.
so far?
No, so far, no.
Okay, so we have an ASTR class, so that's just the end of the class. Okay. Is that too much?
No.
You clench your teeth or grind?
Sometimes I clench, but as soon as I catch myself doing it, so I'm mindful of not doing
Yeah, I
it.
feel something here.
Yeah, I think
I
that's what
actually
it was.
feel it more with
Yeah,
the tool
that's-
than my
that's
hand.
painful.
Actually, I did not feel those spots, but with the tool it's easier to feel it. Because it's really, I don't know why. It's just very tiny that it's easy to feel it with the tool. Because she did not, she doesn't remember. And that's the tender spot, I'm assuming that's where she had
Yeah,
it.
that's
Is it too
really-
much?
Yeah,
Sorry,
that's a little bit too much there.
And here too?
No, there is good.
So it's right.
It's like right in the middle there.
Yeah. Make sure it's not painful. How's that?
Pressure.
But it's not painful.
No
is it?
painful, no.
Okay. That's good.
Mhm.
Okay.
And that's a little.
Sure.
There.
Sorry. Okay. There we go. You feel your fascia is really tight. You feel all those tightness in
Yeah,
your
I
fascia.
felt that. Yeah.
Is it too much?
A little pressure.
Sorry. Okay. There you go. We'll fix your hair. Look nice in the camera. Okay, let's do your range of motion again. The side and up.
A little bit like right there
Mm-hmm.
still. But the range of motion feels better.
Okay, relax, relax. Lie on your back, it's here. And you said it's right in here.
That's it. Right here somewhere.
Relax. So I worked on your head and your range of motion improved a little bit.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Did you notice that?
Yeah, I noticed
Okay.
that.
So now, too much?
Yeah, it's a little bit tender.
What about here?
A little bit lower, I guess, in here. Yeah, right there.
Right in here.
Mhm.
You can feel the scar tissue actually kind of sticking out here. You can see it. Is that too much?
No, but that's the point right there.
That's the point, okay.
That's a little much.
Sure.
Okay, right there, good.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Any other accident or just this one that you remember?
As far as I remember, that's the only head injury I had.
Okay. Feel the tightness in your fascia? It's pulling your head. You see that?
I can
It's
feel
really
it.
tight, yeah. You see?
Mhm.
It's magic.
I feel like it pulls all throughout my neck.
You see, you can see the tightness here. You see the pulling here? It's
Yeah.
very amazing, actually.
Saw her neck right go right with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the fascia system is like a wrap surrounding the entire body. It's like a Spider-Man suit. So when you have tightness in one area, it's similar to you wearing a Spider-Man suit that 2 to 3 size too small. So it's actually you can see it in other areas too, and affecting other areas in the leg.
Ooh, that feels tender.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I felt that fascia stretching all the way up.
Up to your head.
Yeah.
Mhm. Sorry if I get some in your lotion. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Too much? Yes.
It's fine now.
Okay.
It's fine.
What about
A
that?
little tender there.
Oh, you feel that? White or not?
Yeah.
White on it. This is like a band here. Feel that?
Yep,
Yeah.
that's tender there. A little bit too much.
Sorry. Okay. What about here?
No,
Okay.
that's
Okay. Here you go. Oh, feel this one here. Yes. Mm-hmm.
That's the scar tissue.
Yep, those bumps. All those bumps. Hey, here you go. That's a very good picture. Oh, look at this.
And that's what I was feeling.
Yeah, I
That's
felt
a
that
scar
one. I felt that one
That's a
with
scar
her.
tissue. Did you work on that?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't notice it. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, syrup for me. Try it again.
The range of motion is better,
You're going up higher. Why?
Going up higher?
What make it stuck there?
but what makes it stuck there is still something right in here.
Okay.
Like mostly right here.
Squeeze your shoulder plate and relax. Shrug your shoulders. Relax. Okay. A little tight everywhere. Too much?
Clavicle, yeah.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's do it again.
It's a little bit here.
How much
Still
more do you
it's
do
just
to
like right here, this little area right here.
Mm.
Where my
It's
finger
okay to
and
work
this
on the
here.
back.
Yeah. I did a long time ago hurt my QL on my left side.
Mm-hmm. How?
I used to be a fitness instructor and I pulled a muscle really bad.
Did you have any stomach surgery?
Anyone?
Stomach surgeries?
No. Oh yeah, I did.
What?
I had they went through my belly button.
Mm-hmm.
What's the name of
You had
that?
herniation? Hernia?
No, not hernia, but
Appendectomy?
yes,
Okay.
appendicitis.
Okay. Okay, is it okay to work on the stomach?
Yes.
Okay, now we're back.
And the sinus.
Thank you.
Scar there.
How's that?
Pressure.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
That one kind of radiated over here when you pressed it.
yeah. Okay, try it again. Need more.
Now, when I do a rotation like that, I
Mhm.
felt it a little bit.
Can you thumb up and bring it up?
It's the range of. Oh, I feel it right there. Yeah, like.
But look at this.
But it's better.
Did you notice that?
Yeah.
Still feel it, but it's
No, it's much better. It's definitely much better because
Mhm.
I couldn't do this before.
Yeah. Let's do the front.
But I feel it right. Some discomfort.
Okay, let's do the front.
It's much better.
That's, lie on your stomach, back again. Oh, sorry. So she said she has the radiation there. How's that?
That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Just nothing.
That's here.
Nothing.
Mm.
Just pokey.
So that's okay, as long as it's not painful, okay?
A little.
Okay,
Less.
make sure you tell me. Okay. Mm-hmm.
A little pokey.
Sure, you go. Mm-hmm. Sure. What about now?
That's better.
Okay. Sure. And do it again. The flexion, come up and bring it up as far as you can. As long as you don't feel pain. How's that?
When I turn this way,
Mm-hmm.
I feel it here.
How much would you do then?
When I go inside,
Mm-hmm.
I would say it's probably like a 3.
Okay. But you see how far you
but
can
it's
go.
much better.
See, you're 4 range of motion.
Yeah.
3.
Mm-hmm.
4 range of motion. Before you were not there.
No.
You were here.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do the abduction because the abduction was 90 degrees. Let's see that. Thumb up and bring it up. That's 180 degrees.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's much better.
yeah. That's good. Beautiful. Yeah, will that thumb up? Yeah, so what do you think about the treatment?
I think it's very effective,
Mm-hmm.
and I do believe in the treatment.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's very therapeutic,
Mm-hmm.
and it definitely works.
Yeah, that's good. You feel the difference quickly?
I do feel, amazingly,
Mm-hmm.
it's a quick fix.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
Feel free to subscribe to my channel to get helpful tips on how to relieve pain. And if you are a healthcare provider and interested to be ASTR certified, you can follow the link below. You will get information on how to register for ASTR online class. There's over 40 studies that support ASTR treatment model, and also there's over 400 studies that utilize by ASTR treatment. And feel free to check over 220 videos that most of them actually real treatment videos. We'll see you soon.